Ebujafo na ye church will be better sounds so Emma Afefo, for Ghana for you will be better kwaba eba attention TV as your most inspirational YouTube channel. Ebujafo so once my bebo ade musabre and eyabra me representing me ankasankasa me mame ekuya entuwa the original host of this program be representing na enya asabketo na trending stories na me de eba beso mintene sa yo nte unya subscribe ya message we say but we home modern na subscribe ne kama and fama se ne be yenya the video fufo nya betu japo benya kaibo no na waba channel no so waba hwe bi amaye ebushafo ebra me nsa wo brade yembo enra enensam na ye wo edi emamon ebushafo na yesi fam na ya share ensam na se na ye de amamon de na ne yetense ye de wetu fa na ya bo edi era Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro ye bo edi era na catch anas ye bo edi era Alabaster Church International asafumu ye bo edi era ne sanse ensem bi every one mo ba enya asabketo a na nyina ene se Prophet Dr. Kofi Oduro na ne buefu Nibufu ye papa so on tia se ne o man ne kon he doesn't understand on tia se san se mpanyimfo wo moda o man na no wo mu wo man ye they are incompetent people wo mu mfata wo mu nya qualified to rule the country it sounds o man ma ye dia ma enei $1 15 Ghana cedis so free so one tia se nibufu papa enya sankoto ye François ye bebo edi era Ebenezer Miracle Worship Center ye bo edi era ho a ye papa Opambour ye bo era na kato ono so nibufu or say ono so one tia se no man ko no tia se $1 is Ghana cedi 15 cedis hey yanko ne go ti na yamda sisi ya.
I'm telling you where Ghana is frivolity. $1 is to 15 cedis 7 pesos. Tomorrow morning we may hit 16 cedis. I weep for my country. This week have been a very sad week for our electoral process. What kind of a sick nation is this? Go and write your name and go home. That's not a problem. People fight, throw stones and all that. Why? Because the foxes will not allow us to do right. And this is a danger. Can you imagine a battle? I have said it on radio and I'm going to say it on television, online and on radio. This election, that the person who will win big. And the person who will lose big. And there will be peace. The person that will win big. And the person that will lose big. So that there will be no arguments and challenge. You win big and we all call you and congratulate you. You lose, you will humble yourself, swallow your ego and concede defeat and call your opponent and congratulate your opponent, and we wait for 7 January for inauguration of the new whatever, and then we can move on because we are really thinking of when dollar is almost 16 cedis, businessmen are struggling. Somebody brings a Sonata, a Hyundai Sonata to Temaport, and duty only on that car is 150,000. How do you expect people to live and drive cars? This is why we see all kinds of rusted trotros all over the streets of Accra. Poverty is staring in our faces. People who are economists will tell you, and there are people who have studied economics here, they will tell you that when an economy runs into recession and retrogression, you reduce taxes. You reduce taxes. Me, yes, for me, economist. You reduce.
Iron Ross, somebody but 12 thing. The former say 1 ton and 80 something million.
And 80 something million. And then the cost of Abra 68.
What do you want patch why?
68.
None we are.
And then 2 weeks in I drew 8,200. And then they see Ghana. Cement Omatum Dada. In your friend number 2. They say cement 1 bag after 100 cities. Yes, they say cement 1 bag. I'm 113 cities. It be 140, it be 120 cities. And there are some nice Ghana. I want to grab by Pammy. I can't go, Repsa. Enti, Mr. Nipabia, where is Sammy? Munchana, Muntetania, Masudiana, $1, then $1. And then a Cosano. And then a Cosano. And Yaman Timim Cosi. Man, be a cost road to do too much. And I say, Docuno. dokono ye die kura kwa dokono ukoto mfanti dokono ati se ne kache woni ase ukoto dokono ni nwura
odi ko pacho ene rubber
ukoto dokono ani nwura because dokono no hwa ne nwie no e wo nwura no e do so che dokono
pacho ene kura
ukoto dokono ani nwura kan ni na kam adade na ekoso enanu me mom koto ayi breme
pacho
dokono
ifo nwura nko am pacho
brad umpia sanisa won sanisa onweda tira me ka se bia wa hwene dokono wa hwene ho ayi dokono afiri madi eno de nwura ne brele enti me bia mu hwe ya dokono na chemu sabe
dokono keke
abura din na nkobo
ebru dokono keke
se entos boarding miyenu 10 cities
100,000 pacho
boarding miyenu yesai
pacho 100,000 odi for boku be kwa na 120 pacho
boarding miyenu
me pacho ayin
1.something million
odi for pacho 100,000 titikan
hey say oh yeah sure say
odi for pacho wada 100,000 10 cities
sa
wada uruma boarding miyenu
empanifo ya mo kodi dwane bia na
ifo mo small mo yire no
tabi so mo mun tobio allowance ni dwade ni ba
yes sir
enya sam ketwa
500
ene oba wo tonku na wo desra na man stand to wase mu a bosumi no sika nya be sa de atonku
ene kura papa
ti mana mo sra no nko on desra no tene kete sa se dwie de tare bebe na do sa twitwi wo a e be fa ba bia
na brante ba ko buo fu akasa TV so difo say pacho wada uruma said ye an campaign fo benya dade na ko ma na dia kam ne ehu de ekosie no ada ne campaign ye so difo dade e be sa ma sidi na sa ko fom no e benefo ni dade bi se ni nyina ye campaign
enti menya ndai who ya campaign no chese ne man kosoro you can do your campaign at the same time no na mo hwese ne man nyina be yi na o campaign no se ne makofom a obi ahwe ne makwa ekofom no e de atie de wo kato abama na wo ye campaign na amamuo no kwa na ne makosoro ne mabo ya na ye dia campaign wo jai kran kapaso so campaign wo jai kran kapaso e wo so because ne mabo ya na ye dia obi ba kwa homa ne yiri kodoma ne wo sari skana ba no ma hunu gari no ma diata e bi se skana timi ni twa enti sabunam na wo ye campaign na se we mu ekoso sa na bibia boarding sana e faso bi ni campaign be yeso
e pacho no kure be das
ensem bi o mai mo na uni nsem bi abiem
odi for pacho wada uruma
MBB for ho ye
pacho mo nyina ho ye
o na tia konya so
pacho mo na otu mi sisi
NDC for so ho ye
pacho mo nyina ho ye
o na e ba konya so
mo na e ba to mi
e wo sefo sa pepepe enete ha na me de ensem nyina ebesi e de mo me de ensem bra me din ara energy connect makra